Okay, so now I believe the slides are fine to be transferred to the confocal microscope. So I'll add a cover slip to the slide. And now it is ready to be transferred to the microscope. So we're gonna use the simple sample holder, the slide holder. Then the way to put this slide in the microscope is upside down. So I'll flip the slide and then put this over in the slide holder to transfer the slide into the microscope. Now there are two ways I can look in the worms. One is using the eyepiece and the other is using the screen or software. So the first thing I'll use is locate the screen, and I'll locate the worms first in the microscope and then I'll see on the screen what I can see. So the first thing, I'll keep the objectives at 10 so that it should be in the lower magnification itself. And I'll use the reflector, which is GFP, because most of the worms I use are green fluorescent protein tag, and the light path would be towards the eyepiece so that I can see them. I could see them in the slide itself. I have to do some adjustment in the focus so that I can bring them into the focal plane. And then the second thing I could do is do the minor adjustment. Now I could see some of the worms in the plate. I'll use this to adjust the position of the focus in the slide, and I can move the slide around there to capture images. So imagine I could see the worms here, but let them focus in one worm and make the objective 20x so that I can see one worm with focus. I'll do some minor focus adjustment, and I'll now transfer to the screen so that I could see the worms on the bigger screen and capture images. So I'll put them in live mode, and there'll be a smart setup where you have to choose the fluorophore and the type of color you are expecting to see. So the first thing I'll do is I'll select the worms and then use the live mode. I'll bring the exposure down. I'll use also a bright field channel to see the worms first, and then use the other channel to split. Okay. And then you can easily see the worms on the screen. So next video I'll see how to keep the focus on, how to zoom in, and how to see the worms and take the picture.